Allentown. The Allentown chandelier brings sophisticated flair and fun to a traditional lighting style. At first glance, the expected elements of a classic dining room fixture meet the eye: sturdy craftsmanship, warm tones, and individual lamps. But a closer look reveals unique details that spice up the design. The oil rub bronze finish warms the curving metal bands that sweep down from atop and seem to swirl and pool at the base. The silhouette, a bit reminiscent of a ball gown, appears both solid and airy at once. The teacup Wilshire glass shades come adorned with detailed sculpturing that adds texture and interest to the creamy vanilla surface. When your dining room calls for tradition with a twist of entertainment, Allentown fits the bill. Maxim, lighting that reflects your life.